So what are the 3 most important things that you can do as a young agency owner to make sure that you're locked and loaded, prepared for the future, and making money consistently? I interviewed an agency owner, a digital marketing agency owner that's doing $1 million plus per year with his digital marketing agency. And in this book, I wrote down the 3 most important tips that he has for younger agency owners. I wanted to get his take on the situation and understand what things he could have done better when he was starting out that would have made him dominate his competition in the space that's so oversaturated with so many different people trying to run agencies. So he gave me 3 specific tips. Number 1 is prioritize customer understanding. You're going to want to engage regularly in something called customer development interviews, CDIs. And that's when you go to your ideal customer and interview them. You don't sell them anything, you interview them and you figure out what is their problem that I can help them solve. What are they struggling with? What parts of their business can I help them improve? You want to deeply understand their pain points and their needs. Remove any bias that you had about your ideal customer prior to that meeting. Don't go in assuming anything. Don't go in thinking you know what your customer needs, and go in to form a genuine connection. Go in with a spirit of learning, not with a spirit of sales, not with a spirit of deriving value from them, but with a spirit of learning and understanding. And if you can properly understand the pain points your ideal customer has, you can help them solve those pain points. Getting comfortable with doing customer development interviews across industries that you want to move into is going to make it so much easier for you to move in and dominate your competition who has no idea about the customers within the industry that they're trying to break into. Number 2 is consistent and transparent communication. One thing that I think agency owners can sometimes forget, and my mentor reiterated this for me, is that it's not just a value transaction. It's also a relationship. You want to have a good relationship with your clients. This open and transparent dialogue is not only crucial for delivering services and being a great business partner, but it's for that long-term relationship value with your client. By connecting with them, they're going to look to you as a source for solutions, a source of value, a source of knowledge, a source of expertise. They're not going to look elsewhere to solve their problems. If they have an issue, they will come to you. And that's exactly what you want as an agency owner. You don't want to leave the door open for others to come in and poach your clients. You want to make sure that that bond between you and your client is rock solid. It's not just about solutions. It's about building meaningful relationships and making sure that that client continues to be a good fit for you and for your agency. And number 3, manage expectations and deliver value. You're going to want to adopt the stance of under promise, over deliver. Under promise, over deliver. Keep that in mind. Clearly define the variables that measure success, the KPIs, key performance indicators. Clearly define what you're going to be delivering and then hit above that mark. If you can consistently do this, you're going to have a very happy roster of clients. Ensure that every service that you're offering aligns perfectly with your client's needs. And this goes back to the first point of doing that CDI. Make sure you know exactly who your target client is and that your solutions are custom tailored to fit their needs. Avoid the temptation of saying yes to everything. Yes, we can do this. Yes, we can do that. Yes, we can tack this on. I fell into that trap myself, and hearing this from my mentor made a big difference for me. You can't do it all. You can't promise the world. Have a clearly defined set of services that you excel at. Make sure it fits your target client's need and keep delivering that, exceeding expectations every time. If you can do these 3 things, you're off to the races with your agency. This was a short but sweet video. I'll see you in the next one.